Welcome to Knowledge for Everyone. Due to last 28 mm rain, we have some runoff. Due to runoff, we have some washouts. So first we cut that area, open it, put some soil, and then we compacting. Check karo sir. Okay. We have to cut that section, open it, then we have to fill it in layers, and then we have to compact it manually. So this is happening all the way around. Our lake is not finished yet. We have received in last 20 days 2 big rains. One was 116 mm and the next was 28 mm. These both rains heavily affected our work, progress, and all the work that we have done. So now we will be going to each and every area and check if there is any scoring from runoff, and we have to dug it down somewhere up to that area where it is affected, and then we have to backfill in layer, and then we have to compact it. Once we did that area, then we will start the shaping again. So you can see here that due to this muddy area, we can't do anything here. So there is slush actually there, because all this area was filled with the fresh soil up to 3 to 4 feet filling we have here on top of the natural ground. So that material was soft and we received rain on top of it, and all the water, most of it infiltrated inside, and there was very few liter of water or gallons which gone to the lake. You can see in the lake there is water sitting. So thank you for watching, and we will update you as the work starts, because our shaping is pending. Thank you for watching.